Good news! Lateef Adedimeji surprises MoBimpe with an exotic birthday vacation. Before we continue, if you are coming across our video for the first time, kindly subscribe. Nollywood star Lateef Adedimeji has once again showcased his romantic side by surprising his wife, MoBimpe, with a luxurious vacation to celebrate her birthday, leaving fans thrilled and inspired. The couple shared stunning photos and videos from their dreamy tropical getaway, which featured breathtaking beaches, crystal clear waters, romantic candlelit dinners, and fun activities like snorkeling and yacht cruises. Their posts highlighted not just the beauty of the destination but also their undeniable bond. Overwhelmed by her husband's thoughtful gesture, MoBimpe expressed her gratitude in a heartfelt Instagram post, describing Lateef as her dream come true, and thanking him for always making her feel loved and cherished. Lateef, equally smitten, penned his own emotional message, calling Mo God's best gift to him. He also shared a video montage capturing some of their intimate moments, including walking hand in hand on the beach, sharing laughter during dinner, and relaxing in their luxurious villa. Fans and colleagues took to social media to shower the couple with birthday wishes for MoBimpe and praise for Lateef's thoughtful planning. Many described the pair as a perfect example of love and partnership, admiring their public displays of affection and support for each other. Although the couple did not reveal the exact location of their trip, many speculate it could be one of Africa's exotic islands or a luxury resort in the Maldives, judging by the picturesque scenery in their posts. The grand celebration further cements Lateef and MoBimpe's status as one of Nollywood's most beloved couples, with their relationship inspiring fans who look up to them as a symbol of love and commitment. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and with them well.